Below is the graph of a function y equals f of x drawn with a series of shaded rectangles. Um, Use the slider above to change the above the graph to change the number of rectangles. Okay, anyway, so what we're interested in doing here, we have this graph, and really what we want is we want to know all the area underneath this graph, all the area that is between 0 and 4. And so that's really all you have to do on this problem is just fill in the left edge. Here's the left edge, which is at 0, and here's the right edge, which is at 4. It just goes from 0 to 4. That's the left to x equals 0. This is the x-axis, right? From x equals 0 to x equals 4. And we want to know we want to find the area under the curve between 0 and 4. Now, you think, well, these boxes are leaving out a lot, right? They leave out all this, they leave out all that, they leave out all that. But if you take this slider and you go to the right and you put more boxes, it'll fill it in. Let me show you. Let me do it. Here's where it's live. So if I go to the right, look at that. So as I go to the right, see there's more boxes now, and see how they're doing a better job of filling in the area. They're not leaving as much out. If I go further, further, look at that. They're hardly leaving out any now. What's this? 32 boxes. Now there's 32 boxes underneath there. Now let's crank it up more. Now there's 52 boxes. It's almost perfect. But you see a couple little holes. Keep going, keep going. Look at this. Go all the way up to 100 boxes. It looks virtually perfect. That looks almost like exactly the area under the curve between 0 and 4. And so the point of this is what we're doing in this chapter is we're trying to find the area under curves. And this example shows that basically the more boxes you have, the closer it's going to be to the real. And if you just have a few boxes, like like that many, you're going to leave out some area. You're not going to have it right. But the more you get, the more boxes you get, the better it's going to be. And we're going to let the number of boxes in the next section, we're going to let the number of boxes go to infinity. And so when you have, this is only 100 and it looks perfect. If you have infinite boxes, that's a perfect fit to the curve. That's what we're going to do in the next section. So it's giving you that idea for now. And so there we go. That's all you have to do is just put in the 0 and the 4 on the bottom. It's just a look and see problem. So there it is.